When Dolce Printing decided to move to a new, larger facility, Academy was called in to upgrade their electrical service. The new riser pole with the primary riser wires, the pad mount 1000 kVA 480 volt transformer, the new 1200 amp 480 volt switchgear, hidden behind bifold doors. There's the main distribution, load centers, step-down transformers. With the doors closed, it becomes an office. Out in the shop area, there are multiple runs of conduits to feed the machines and the lights and equipment. 400 amp sub-panel on the column. The buck boost transformers to convert American 480 volt to the German 400 volt for the Heidelberg presses. We had to integrate American relays for the exhaust fans to the German controls on the presses. The ductwork up to the roof where they're mounted three-phase exhaust fans. We were called back in to wire a new correlating machine. It needed multiple circuits along with a new 480 volt step-down transformer and sub-panel. Academy employee using our lift, not a rented machine. Tim pushing the snake up the conduit to be able to pull in some of the new circuits that were needed. Chris is now feeding the wires down the conduit. Now we are preparing another group of wires to be pulled into another conduit for some of the other circuits that were needed for the machine. The sub-panel on the right and the line side disconnect for the new 480 volt feeder on the left. The step-down transformer, 480 to 12208 volt three-phase, were all installed by Academy for this project. Splicing in the new cords at the ceiling to the wires that were pulled in earlier. The finished splice box with multiple cord drops. Testing for proper voltage and grounding before energizing the new machines. Making final cord connections to the new machine. The finished cord drops located exactly over the machine. The 200 amp sub-panel trimmed out. Dolce, the fine art of printing, from the early machinery to state-of-the-art production machines. We have been the electrical contractor for Dolce Printing for over a decade. A quality printing shop that demands quality electrical work. If your operation requires a dependable and knowledgeable commercial electrical contractor, Academy is your answer. We have always stated that a quality job is the least expensive in the long run. Come and experience the high standards of Academy by joining the long list of satisfied Academy customers. Academy Electrical Contractors.